Your beauty is astonishing. I keep wondering what I love you most about you, Virosh. Thanks. Why? Your eyes, your nose, your lips, and your body explaining your beauty. I still cannot believe that there can be such a beauty in this world. Baby, you are so beautiful to me. I want to you anyway. I cannot get to you not because you are beautiful or clear or kind of our adorable. Although the devil knows you are all those things. I want to you because there is no one else like you and I do not ever want to start a day without seeing you. I am not always have the word to tell you know how much I love you, but I will find a way to show you I care. I am so proud of you and especially proud to call myself. You are there is no one as wonderful as you. Thank you for reminding me. I am warmth of love, attention, and respect. What on earth did I think about you all the time before you are were a move ID watch you are and over again. If loving you was a job at the most deserving, dedicating, and qualified candidate, in fact, idea even by willing to work for free. I know distance make you feel like I do not you, but trust me, baby, I really love you. Send me I when you miss you see this okay my love I miss you so much. This is the time for you to prove that you love me. If you really love me, send me a message, okay? Thank you to you. I smile a little, more laugh a little harder, and carry a little less. I am so lucky to have you in my life. I do not know. Without your love to the most wonderful woman, I know. Thank you for constantly bringing out of the best in me. I am being luck to have fallen in love with my best friend. I love you, darling. There is nothing I want more than to make you the happiest woman in the world. Thank to Allah for making it a successful meeting of senior citizens, officers in the place to talk about the most important issues that affects citizen and citizen our subsequent meeting are the secret of Dubai at last success one love you are the most impressive sensating living behind the tallest cliff you are princess our William and source me in a way that I we never experienced my mind has been resultless since the day we meet and cannot think of anyone or anything but you. I cannot believe in that most of my fans have not gotten their membership card. I can hear your reason for that is it because I will not handsome it. What never mind to spend me a direct message so we can talk and know each other mind. Love you all the of Prince Faza. I knew the very moment I saw you that we are destined to be together. You are the queen and I am your local servant. I could never love another woman as much I love you. My life was meaningless before I met you. Every breath I took was continued. Until the day I meet you, I know right then that my life was going to change for the better because of you. I think of you as an angel that has been blessed on this earth just for you. Make everything did in my life despair. Whenever you smile at me, when you smile at me, I forget about you all of my worries. You are the air that I need serving. You are my one and only. This is a fact that will be never change as long as we are together. I love you. Love can be defined in my different ways. However, the definition I have for it is different. It will take beyond a lifetime to explain how deep my feeling for you are. I just want you. Now how special you are to you are my beloved. Trust you are. I feel so pleased that you came into my life. I never want to lose. You mean to I much to me love. I love you. You are more than just a girl to me. You are my friend, my lover, and soon to be my wife. I wife want to this more than anything because with you everything is going to be perfect. I love you. I will never stop loving you every minute of every day, no matter what happens. I want you to remember that you are my everything. I love you in your eyes. I see the stars, elegant, and your racing where love does shine every glance, a tender touch, whisper to my souls. You are my enough in silence. We speaking without sound. Two hearts in rhythm, so toilet bound in the quiet moments. You understand the depths of my fear. Word cannot lend. You are water fills the words in me. A mill loud that sets my spirit free. Even in a storm when skies turn grey, your love is the light that guides my way through pain. You never turn away. You hold my hand. Come, what my with every tear. You wipe my tears. Your strength has claimed me through the years. In joy we dance like flames so right. You make my world feel right so light. Your smile is sunrise in the dark, igniting love, internal spark. I promise you in my days to love you in a million ways, through ups and downs. All we face in your arms, I we found my place, and every sunrise that we see now. What you are everything to me. You are the air my heart does breathe. My love wish to never leave. Your love a freeing that never dies. A stress you are hidden in your eyes. With you I am forever whole. You we made a home within my soul. Together we all carrying that my come. In you my love I found my home. No words can ever quite convey how deeply you we made me feel this way. Through every trial, every test, your love it always bringing me rest in your embrace. I find my pieces, I allow that never will kisses. I wait to love you till the end to be your lover and your friend through every reasons, every tie with you. I will always stand beside in you. I we found my heart deserve a love that sets my soul on fire. No distance can ever make me stay for you. I'll crash every day. So here's my heart. Take it all. You are the keeper. Please, everyone, for my request, please my channel for subscribe. End of the poem. Everyone for comment me, please. My channel for subscribe. Okay.